Hello and welcome back to iCalculator. In today's video, we're going to unravel the layers of Portugal's tax classes. Understanding these classes is crucial as they determine how much tax you'll pay and what deductions you can claim. First, let's outline what we'll cover today. We'll start by defining what tax classes are, their implications, and their role in the Portuguese tax system. We'll also highlight some of the common misconceptions about tax classes to ensure you're fully informed. And finally, we'll provide guidance on how to determine your tax class and the steps you can take if you believe you've been incorrectly classified. With these points in mind, let's delve into the first topic. Tax classes in Portugal categorize taxpayers to ensure that everyone pays a fair amount according to their financial situation. These classes take into account factors such as income, marital status, and number of dependents. For instance, individuals are typically classified into different brackets based on their earnings, with each bracket corresponding to a specific tax rate. This progressive approach aims to distribute the tax burden equitably. Married couples can opt to be taxed jointly, which might be beneficial if one partner has a significantly lower income. There are also specific classes for retirees, freelancers, and business owners, each with its own set of rules and potential benefits. Understanding which tax class you belong to is crucial, as it directly influences the rate at which you're taxed and the deductions you're eligible for. For example, certain tax classes are entitled to enhanced family deductions or deductions for educational expenses, which can substantially reduce your taxable income. Now that we've covered the basics of tax classes and their direct impact on your tax rates and deductions, let's move on to some common misconceptions that often lead to confusion. When it comes to tax classes in Portugal, there are several myths that can lead to confusion. One common misconception is that your profession solely determines your tax class. In reality, while your job can influence your classification, other factors like income level, marital status, and specific deductions also play a significant role. Another myth is that once you're assigned to a tax class, it's permanent. This is not the case. Changes in your personal circumstances can lead to a re-evaluation of your tax class. It's important to stay informed about these factors to ensure you're classified correctly and taking advantage of potential tax benefits. Lastly, there's a belief that higher tax classes always result in more taxes. However, the progressive nature of Portugal's tax system means that while higher earners pay more in absolute terms, the effective tax rate depends on a range of deductions and credits applicable within each class. Next, let's take a look at determining your tax class. Determining your tax class in Portugal requires a clear understanding of the tax code and how it applies to your individual situation. The first step is to assess your income sources, as different types of income can be taxed differently. Employment income, investment returns, and freelance work each have their own set of rules. Your marital status and family situation are also crucial. For instance, married couples can opt for joint taxation, which might place them in a different tax class compared to individual taxation. Understanding these nuances is key to optimizing your tax position. If you're unsure about your tax class or believe you might be incorrectly classified, it's advisable to consult with a tax professional or reach out to the Portuguese tax authorities. They can provide guidance based on the latest regulations and help you understand the documentation required to confirm or change your tax class. For a comprehensive understanding of tax classes and updated rates, our iCalculator website is your go-to resource. Updated regularly with the latest tax information, it's the perfect companion on your tax journey. Find the link in the description below. We've now unpacked the concept of tax classes in Portugal, addressed some common misconceptions, and outlined how to determine your classification. With this knowledge, you're better equipped to understand your tax obligations and opportunities for deductions. In our next video, we'll dive into the specifics of property tax in Portugal. We hope you found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and switch on notifications to ensure you never miss an update.